Off-road motorbike tour from Hanoi. Enjoy life with the 9-day Ho Chi Minh Trail is the ride that strips life back to its raw essence. No map, just movement. Following rugged jungle tracks, forgotten wartime routes, and mountain passes that few dare to cross, every day delivers something new. Mud, dust, rivers, history, and freedom. You'll meet locals in hidden villages, share stories under the stars, and feel the pulse of Vietnam in its most authentic form. 9 days, countless memories, and a road that will stay with you long after the engine cools.